we will start by visiting what we call XML sitemaps. This is the site. First is to create. We want to create the XML sitemaps. So it will take us to this. Then there are more options over here. On this, do not specify pages change frequency attribute. This value indicates how frequent the content at a particular URL is likely to change. Do not specify always hourly. Let me say daily, because I would be updating the website daily. Once you have entered the URL here, you can get that one by searching for your website. For example, mine is this one. Once you have it, you can copy the URL, this one. Then you can paste it here. Once you have pasted, change here. I will say daily. Then just start. This is the process of starting the creation of a sitemap, which you will upload on your website. And secondly, you can also submit it to search engines. This is what I'm going to submit to the search engines. It will take some time, something like 7 minutes. So I will stop until it is finished. Once it has finished, I will come back to show you the next steps. So that is just but the beginning. The formation of a sitemap, XML sitemap, is complete. So now what we do, we go to the view sitemap details here. It takes us to this page whereby they are saying that download your XML sitemap file, then upload it into the domain root folder of your website. That is exactly what we are going to do. Then finally, we will open the Google Search Console and add your sitemap URL. So this is basically what the sitemap looks like. It is a blueprint for Google to find and index your website. So if you don't do this, Google might not find your website. You might be having a website, but it is not indexed, meaning people are not finding you when they search for something. So this sitemap details was created today. Processing it. Okay, pages indexed 417. Page size 71 MB. Broken links none. Having gone there, now we have downloaded. Sorry, we have not. This is some keywords. Now that we have this one, let us download it first. It will download to the desktop. Let me store it, keep it here on the desktop so that I'm easily able to find it. And this one is better because I clearly specified that the sitemap should update every day because I post content regularly. Having created our sitemap, we want to go to the cPanel. And for you to get the cPanel, you type the URL of your website, .com//cPanel. We have this cPanel. if you are not okay. Meanwhile, let me get the username and the password. Username is my name, then password. Oh yes, login. So we are successfully logging in. Successfully. Then we go to the file manager. We are in the C panel. This is like a dashboard from where you can make changes on your website. It's a dashboard. Now we are here. We go down to public HTML. This is HTML, XML. Yeah. So this is where we will upload it. We go to upload. Then we select file. It is said that we can upload. Maximum file size allowed for upload is 76 GB, 76.06 GB. Ours is quite small. It's called sitemap. Before we go to that one, we have to delete. There is a sitemap here which we need to delete. We can delete it. Sitemap. This here, we can delete it because this is the one. Skip the trash and permanently delete the files. Are you sure you want? Yes, I've deleted it. Now I can upload it afresh. It is called sitemap. The previous one I did not specify how regularly it can update, so I decided to create a new one, which I've also used to show you how to create a sitemap for your website. And also, once you have created that, you upload it on the root. It's called uploading it on the domain root folder. Upload the sitemap, XML sitemap, into the domain root folder of your website. This is what we have done. Let's see. Sitemap is here. We have uploaded it at 201. So that's something we have successfully done. Okay, sitemap. It can be seen. It's visible here. Yeah, it is here. That's the sitemap. Now that we have it there, let us go to, we have done upload it into your domain root folder of your website. The next level is then open Google Search Console and add your sitemap URL. So we open here the Google Site Console. Let us start immediately. Improve your performance. Let me just put my website URL. That's kerosi.com. It's a very good thing to do. This here. Let me put it here. I think this is the right place. This is Google Search Console. We are putting it here. We are submitting our website here so that we will be able, the site will be able to crawl and get to all pages on our website. This is part of search engine optimization, also called SEO. SEO. So I will download this, but before I download, I had created another one on my computer. called Google. Let me go back and download this. Whatever is here is an HTML file of your website. Download the file, upload it to. So first we download this file. Let us put it on the desktop again, like the other one. Once we have downloaded it, we will use the same process to upload it on our website. So we go to the file manager. Now this is what is in that HTML file. I hope it should be here. Google. Yeah, it is here. Now what I'll do, I will go to HTML, to my cPanel, then under this one I open this one, then I will upload it here. I will upload it. It is called Google something, so I will upload it here from my desktop. Google, this is the file. I'm submitting my website now to the search engine that is for Google. Now we are here. We can even refresh this one to see whether it has updated. It's called Google, so it should is this here, this one with the 53 bytes. Is this the one I've just updated? It is the second one. This one that's been done, properly done. So this is a good idea. It's a good idea. January 22nd. This was not me, so I've included that one. Looks the same. Anyway, now that it is uploaded, that is it. Because the next one is to stay verified. Don't remove the file even after verification succeeds. So let us verify. This is now the final stage where we are verifying. This is for Google. Next time we will do submit these files, ownership verified. So verification method, HTML file. To stay verified, don't remove the verification file. To avoid losing verification, you may want to add multiple verification methods from settings, ownership verification. Okay, that's good. So now we can continue. Verification method, ownership verified. Okay, that's done. What next? Let me see. That is all. We finished the verification. No properties. You don't have any properties waiting for verification. Please go back and add a property. Okay. Okay, it's now verified. We are hoping that it will bring changes. It will bring changes to our website. We want to receive as many visitors as possible, and the way to receive them is to prepare for their coming.